Slide. Our Heavenly Father, we offer you our
Dr. Grace H. Aguiling Dalisay.
Foundation, no, for Christians, because we're Christians because of the resurrection of Christ. And maybe I'll just share.
change with expertise and insight. With her wisdom, we will learn to cultivate expertise and passion to the forefront. I give you Ms. Tony Miranda.
Thank you so much, Ms. Christine. Good morning to all of you. Yeah. So, I saw you earlier, you were turning on your video so much. Ano na ba mga version ng heart? May ganito na nga eh, diba? May ganyan. O, diba? How do you feel now? How are you feeling? Scan this. I can now open very clear. Nakikita niyo yung aking page 1. And then, thank you, Larto. How to rest and serenity. Some of the transitions are just change in schedule. Some of the transitions are we get to actually now see each other based on what's happening future to a successful future. Reflect and refrain. Kasi our heart is deceitful, right? So, intindihin natin. Sabihin na naintindihan mo siya. Tank mo eh. Okay, nasa-stress ka. And when we are slow down when it's not happening or to trust God more. Visit your heart, no? Ano ang mga nandyan sa okay, kita kayo, kaway naman. Alright? Yes. Thank you for those who are turning on your video. Nakakatuwa sa on-site, diba, Now leads us to the next step. Just provide us this step. Wala ka na masyadong complaints and comments. I did my best. I believe you know some of this already or it is in your identity. Okay? So, mga name. That's absolute truth. Do you agree? Absolute truth. But the thing is, some of those are lahat. But you have the power to open. Kulot open. Nasusurvive niyo yung transition. With the truths. With the truths. So let's go to do it consistently every night. How are you going through transitions and changes? The Lord sacrificed Himself. Cannot even have that posture to appreciate what the Lord did for all of us. Different experiences that you were not able to process. What's important is you're willing to embrace the real you and that you are get your source of confidence because you need to identify your anchor that is sustainable. Strengthen your spirit. Always choose that.
And then baka merong questions, you may send your question. Naging discussion. Parang yun yung nagiging center or nagiging focus na parang
I hope it will inspire you.
So, we thank everyone for your active participation.
Inc. awards the Certificate of Appreciation and Miss Marie Antoinette P. for her invaluable contribution as a resource speaker on the topic Gracefully Navigating Change, Finding Purpose in Transitions, held on April 16, 2025, 9 a.m. via Zoom, signed by our President and CEO, Dr. Grace H. Aguiling Dalisay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Tony.
Thank you, ma'am, for trusting me. Thank you.
As we come to the close of today's reflection session, I want to thank each one of you for your openness, presence, and your speaker, Ms. Tony, for leading us into this journey to HRS sa ating punong abala. Maraming salamat.
Wishing everyone a reflective and restful Lenten season. And